In prime time news this evening, too slow. Education Transformation Oversight Committee criticizes missed deadline for recommendations. Education Minister reacts to video and issues at Homestead Primary School. And law school questions constitutionality of aspects of new Bail Act.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, history was created in Jamaica on Wednesday. The world's largest cruise ship docked in Falmouth, and the images are just magnificent. Stick around for that and more in the Business Day.
All right, thanks, Andrea. Jermaine Brown is here to give us a preview of what's coming in sports. Jermaine?
Well, Herman, speaking of history, there may be history being created every other day at the World Cup in Qatar as two more big names crashed out of the tournament. And guess what? The West Indies not doing too badly down under. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What are your views on the failed plan for another round of protests by disgruntled taxi operators?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.